In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up text alerts on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create reliable alerts so you never miss a key price move again, even when you're not staring at the chart. First, open TradingView and log into your account. Make sure you're on the chart you want to monitor so your alert applies to the right market. A quick check of the symbol in the top left can save you from setting an alert on the wrong ticker. On the right-hand toolbar, look for the Alerts icon, which looks like a small bell. Click it to open the Alerts panel. This is where you'll create new alerts and manage any you already have. Now click Create Alert, marked by a plus icon. An alert window will pop up. Here, confirm the symbol you want to monitor. If you switch symbols often, it's a good habit to double-check this field so the alert follows the market you actually care about. Next, choose your condition. You'll see options like crosses, greater than, and less than. Crosses triggers when price moves through a level in either direction, which is great for breakouts. Greater than triggers when price moves above your chosen value, while less than triggers when it goes below. Pick the one that matches the type of signal you're waiting for. Under Options, select your alert actions. Show pop-up will display an on-screen notification in your browser or app. Send email to SMS can forward an email notification to your phone as a text message, depending on how you have it set up. Webhook sends the alert to a URL, which is useful if you automate workflows or connect other tools. Choose one or multiple actions based on how you prefer to be notified. In the message box, type your custom text. Keep it clear and specific so you instantly understand what happened when the alert fires. For example, include the symbol and the price trigger in your message to reduce confusion later. Set the expiration time for the alert so it stays active as long as you need. If you're trading a near-term setup, a shorter duration can keep your alerts list tidy. When everything looks right, click Create to activate the alert. You'll see it listed in the Alerts panel, confirming it's live. To manage your alerts later, click the Alerts icon again. From there, you can edit an alert to adjust its conditions, pause it temporarily without deleting it, or remove it entirely if it's no longer relevant. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.